this, hotshot?
You didn't hit the carpet one?
No, I didn't hit him.
You fucking...
Fucking hell!
cockhead.
Fuck, this thing can stop. I get that car was turning. I don't think he saw me. Peter shat himself. Peter saw Booba.
That's a 6 turbo. Shut himself. See the house to come up?
Yep.
And shut himself.
Like, fuck.
That's a 6 turbo.
One foot in front of the other, put your other foot down, down, down. You got to put one foot in front of the other, put your other foot down, down, down. You got to put one.
You alright? Are you alright? Get off the fucking gear, mate!
Get out.
Wanna fight? Do you know the fuck I am?
Who are you? Your worst nightmare.
But you and I are going to be great friends.
my leg. Steve! Steve! Oh, my leg, Steve! Oh, I can't feel my legs!
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is going on? Fucking plastic bag over your head, you. Yeah.
What are you doing? You don't do that. It's not a turn lane, you idiot. What an idiot.
Went from Pretzel Financial Planning. Quality, trusted, and understandable advice. pretzelwealth.com.au.
No need for a subscription for this,
How you
man.
going,
He's going
lady?
free of charge
There you
today.
go.
Blake, good
How
afternoon.
you going?
I'm good. Anything new and exciting in the world of finance?
Not really. We've got end of financial year here, a couple of weeks away.
That's like
so
your Christmas, isn't it?
it's pretty much, yeah, Christmas, New Year's and everything all at once.
What's the treasury going to put under your tree?
Not much. A lump of coal, probably.
Oh, no,
that seems to be what he's handing out these days.
It'd be a piece of the turbine blade or something, surely.
Oh, they've got to go somewhere,
Yeah.
I suppose, once it's all done and dusted, yeah. What are we going to do? Yeah.
Yeah.
Brace yourselves! Ah!
George.
What the hell are you doing, buddy? Whoa! That might have to go to Scotty.
Damn right!
Starting audio recording.
Toasty!
Oh boy, is this great! Not now you indicate. Not now you indicate. Fuck you! You only just put your indicator on, you fuckhead!
What the fuck? Maybe put your indicator on first. Oh my god, it's again. It's again. wrong side. Oh my god! He's gonna do it again! Yeah, put your engine. Oh my god! What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you?
Oh, okay. Just go through a red light then. Wow. Couldn't get any redder, buddy. Nice indication.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
The fuck? A fucking Cochrane's driver and he's got no fucking idea. He just brought his fucking license out of a Kellogg's box.
Friggin' hell!
Unbelievable.
Shit, a brick. Jesus fucking Christ.
Because you've had a successful,
Yeah.
something like press play, you know? Yeah. So that's how it works. So you can have,
Nice blinker, dickhead.
so you can have biological siblings. That's
Ada apa sih katanya polis? Ada dua. Dulu ini middle satu, di sana satu. Uh-oh.